Ever wondered how big tech companies manage their technical debt? It's a pressing question. Now you may ask, what exactly is technical debt? Think of it as the cost of cutting corners in software development. It's inevitable, like the dust gathering under your if left unchecked, it can pose significant challenges. Even tech titans like Google and Microsoft grapple with it. How does one go about managing this technical debt? Let's delve into it. To manage technical debt, one must first understand its types. So let's dive right in. Firstly, there's deliberate technical debt. This is the kind you willingly take on, knowing full well the consequences. You might be thinking, why would anyone do that? Well, sometimes, to meet a deadline or launch a product quicker, shortcuts are taken. It's like borrowing money knowing you'll have to pay interest later. Next on the list is accidental technical debt. This occurs when you unknowingly make decisions that lead to problems down the line. It's the kind of debt that creeps up on you, often due to lack of foresight or technical knowledge. Lastly, we have bit rot. This is a unique form of technical debt that emerges over time as the software environment evolves, but the application doesn't. It's like your software aging and getting rusty. Now that we understand the types of technical debt, we can explore the strategies to combat it. Fighting technical debt requires a well-planned strategy. Indeed it does, and there are several strategies that can help in this battle. One strategy is to conduct regular code reviews. By examining the code line by line, you can spot potential issues early, before they become deeply ingrained in your system. Think of it as a regular health checkup for your code. Just as doctors can catch diseases early through regular health screenings, developers can catch problematic code through frequent reviews. Another strategy is to utilize automated testing. Automated testing allows developers to quickly and efficiently test their code for errors, saving valuable time and resources. It's like having a personal assistant that checks your work for mistakes, freeing you up to focus on more complex tasks. Refactoring is another key strategy. This involves restructuring existing code without changing its external behavior. Imagine it as decluttering your home. You're not getting rid of anything essential, you're just reorganizing to make things easier to find and use. Lastly, it's important to prioritize quality over speed. While it might be tempting to rush through a project to meet a deadline, this often results in sloppy code that will need to be fixed later, creating more technical debt. It's like cooking a gourmet meal. If you rush, you'll likely end up with a burnt dinner and a messy kitchen. These strategies can help manage technical debt, but how do you track it? Let's move on to that next. Keeping an eye on technical debt is crucial for its management. Now let's dive into the tools and techniques that can help you do just that. Firstly, issue trackers. These are like your personal assistants, keeping tabs on code inefficiencies and bugs that contribute to technical debt. Next up, we have code quality metrics. Ever wished you could get a bird's eye view of your code? These metrics allow just that, offering a comprehensive analysis of your code's quality. They measure factors like code complexity, duplication, and potential bugs, giving you valuable insights into areas that need improvement. Lastly, let's talk about tech debt dashboards. These dashboards are like the command center of a spaceship. They provide a consolidated view of all your technical debt data, making it easier to monitor and manage. While these tools can help track technical debt, it's essential to keep it low. After all, prevention is better than cure, especially when it comes to technical debt. The best way to manage technical debt is to keep it low. This balance of innovation and debt reduction is like walking a tightrope. On one hand, you've got the drive to introduce new features, to innovate, to stay ahead. On the other hand, there's the weight of technical debt pulling you back, slowing you down. But don't worry, there's a way to maintain this balance. Embed practices like continuous integration into your development process. This helps in identifying and addressing technical debt early, preventing it from snowballing. Encourage constant learning within your team. New technologies, techniques, and best practices can help in managing and reducing technical debt. And let's not forget the importance of maintaining good documentation. It's like a map that guides you through your code, helping you understand where you might have accrued technical debt and how to address it. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of managing technical debt, it's time to implement these strategies and keep your projects healthy and efficient. Technical debt management isn't a one-time process, but a continuous effort. Embrace the strategies we've discussed to master your technical debt. Apply these tools and techniques consistently. Start managing your technical debt today, and stay ahead in the game. Until next time, keep learning and innovating.